Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for electrical graduates, electronics graduates, and in fact, even mechanical and aeronautical graduates and civil graduates can also make the best use of it. So let us go into the video. So it's a IndiGo Airline Job Vacancy. So who and all can apply is electrical, electronics, mechanical, aeronautical people will be given the first preferences. So company name is IndiGo and company website is given here. So designation is junior technical officer and education qualification is you need to have B.Tech in any of the following discipline and role will be a permanent one. Years of experience is minimum 1 year of experience and job location will be across the country. So what you need to do is you need to ensure the continued competence with CARM regulation. You need to ensure the policy and procedure. You need to monitor the daily delay detect meeting. You need to monitor the quality audit of CAMO function, and you need to be a board member for internal assessment and engineering representative for PIB and ensure the information correctly. So I will provide the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website and you can apply for the job. So once you apply means they will be contacting you or intimating you through a registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further job updates. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.